Oh, great.
Right on high. Yeah. High for installed, I'm not sure. Well, this is good then.
We did a canoe once. Down here somewhere, they had a canoe down. There was like 15 people in it.
Wow.
Supposed to be like the old French days for some summer festival. And yeah, and went in the lack boat a few times.
Right.
Actually, I tubed down the way down.
Now, you need to know some additional parts of it. And sailors are very pragmatic. Okay? Now, this is a schooner. You can talk to the captain or one of the crew later on, find out more about schooners. But for now, let's say a schooner has to have at least 2 masts. This is the main mast over here. The mast in front of the main mast is going to be the foremast. You have only 1 mast in front. Okay, now you notice that these are the sails attached to the mast. Now, what sail is attached to the main mast? Sails are very pragmatic. Mainsail, yes. What sail do you think is attached to the foremast? Foresail. Now, up there where Larry is, he's grabbing a hold of this metal cable. It's called a stave. That is called what sail? Attached to a stave. So it must be the mainsail. Now, way up in front is another stave. It has another sail attached to it. What sail is that? The jib, yes. Yes. I don't know why it's called the jib. Okay, we're not going to fly those tonight. Now, oh, wait. Look at these 2 sails. They have this gaff on the bottom called the boom, and then there's another gaff, another piece of wood on top. So these 2 sails are like 4-edged sails. Whereas those 2 sails up in front, the other sails are triangular sails. So what's the advantage of a 4-edged sail versus a triangular sail? The same height mast. More area. The wind's going to apply to the greater area, give you a little more power. Very good. You might ask your crew member, why are these sails bad? Okay, now, you're going to be handling lines. Some folks are going to be handling a trawl line. Some people are going to be handling a peak line or a throat line. You're going to be given certain commands. And previous to be given the command, you're going to say on the trawl line or on the main peak to do something. And those somethings are, first of all, and these are 4 simple commands, haul away. So you'll be hand over hand, hauling away. And you're going to do that until you're told to stop. The way we're going to tell you to stop is a traditional command. It's called avast. So if I say, or Kathy, or Larry says, avast, you just stop and hold on. Okay, sometimes you might need a real strong, heavy pull. So we're going to say heave, and you're going to say hold, and while you're yelling that out, you're going to really pull really hard. And the final command, oh my gosh, this is the most important one. And no group has done this in total right all season yet. You're holding onto the line, and we want you to let go of the line. So the traditional command is up behind. So you drop the line, put your hands in the air. Now, we want you to drop the line, put your hands in the air, because this guy's going to be standing next to you, and he's not going to be listening to me, but he's going to see you put your hands in the air, and then you're going to drop the line, right? Okay, good. If you're good authority, you receive proper instructions, but let me just go over one thing. If I say on the peak, who's going to listen to me? Okay, and if I say on the throat, what are you folks over here going to do? That's right, nothing. Okay, you're going to ignore me. Okay, so I'm going to give instructions to the throat, to the peak separately. Okay, now, we are a sailing vessel, but we are not a racing vessel. So do not get on that line and haul away real quickly. I want you to haul away slowly and deliberately, okay? Are we ready on the mainsail?
Ready on the peak.
Oh, come on now. Are we ready on the mainsail?
Ready
on
the
bacon. I think you're on this side.
One more time.
Last time. Are we ready on the mainsail?
Ready on the throat.
On the peak, fast. Fast on the peak. Okay, on the throat. All the way. On the peak, all the way. Gotta keep it kind of level. Oh, we're deep. On the peak, a fast. On the throat, you're gonna need a couple of big pulls.
On the throat. Oh, hey, hold up.
Oh! Okay, on the throat, that's well, a fast delay.